So this is for Marjorie, who's called up and looking for some sneakers, and she said, look, don't do a big email for me, do me one of your videos. So here I am doing one of my videos. So she's after a sneaker, and we were talking about the Remi. So the Remi comes in the tan with the gold, and then there's also the white with the gold. Only a few left in the white actually. So she comes from Hinako up to the 46. So Marjorie's after the size 46 but unsure on the shoe. I just wanted me to do an extra video to chat through the fit and how it works, especially with the toggle laces, which is a little bit different for us. So base wise, you've got a really good base here. So I'm normally a 45. I did size up for the 46 in these ones, and we found during fit testing the 44, 45, 46 was just a little bit small. So do size up in those ones just to give you your length. We just found that it's a little bit short on the toe there with the length, but width and everything is great. Once I had the 46 on, they were perfect for me. I could put my little sock on and not an issue in the world. So you do have, this is one of her other questions, full removable inner, so you can take that out. Now it's not an option to wear without the inner in it. You need to then add your orthotic in or one of your other bases at home. So you will see here it is quite a deep base and has got quite a lot of structure and support in it. So if you are going to change it out, you just work with one of the ones that you've got at home. So this is what I always say to people: you've already worn in and your foot has got used to one of your other inners at home. You don't need to break in a whole new one. When you've got these interchangeables, you can change yours from home and put it into here to get the right fit for you. So now the gold detail was another concern of Marjorie's because she thought it was more of a metal. It's not, it's a leather. So it bends and moves and shapes, especially this one up here. It's a really soft nappa leather, so it won't feel harsh on your foot at all. Now the toggle on top, let's see if I get this camera to come down so I don't have to hold the phone and the camera, sort of. So the toggle on top, yes, you can take it out. These are elastic, so you can take it out and do your bow. You're gonna struggle a little bit because it's gonna lose its grip. But all you're doing there is much like the old hat that we had at school. You're just pushing that in and tightening it up, and it holds perfectly. You don't get any movement on that at all, but you've got quite enough stretch across the front here, and you've got a really nice deep pocket. I actually found it was really nice and roomy on my foot. So that's Remi there for Marjorie. I hope you like it. I hope that I've answered all your questions. And yeah, really nice, comfortable on. I absolutely loved her. I actually had a pair aside, and we had a customer that was desperately wanting them on an exchange. She needed to go up a size, so Bernie took them off me, which is okay. I'm totally fine. If I can give shoes to other people, I definitely don't need them. But absolutely beautiful on. Hinako, great made, easy to wear, really nice on. Like, it's such a nice weekend shoe. I've got a little crop jean on at the moment, and it would just look perfect with that. But again, if you're wearing a full length jean with shorts, all that sort of stuff, Remi Tan. And I prefer the tan over the gold. I think the tan just adds a little bit more texture, and I've got a lot of white sneakers, so I liked the fact that I could change things up with a tan one. That would be my preference for you, Marjorie, but I hope they're right. Any other questions, or if anyone wants a specific video on specific shoes, please reach out to us and we can put them together for you.